How to view your exact follower count on Instagram. The fast and easiest way to check your followers count on Instagram professional account users is open Instagram. Tap on the profile icon at bottom of the screen. You will move to the profile page. At the top of the profile page, you will see Professional Dashboard. Click on it. Here, you can see the Insights section. In the tab on Total Followers. There you can find your exact number of followers. Another way is, once you are in Instagram profile page, you will find the menu option. Click on it. If you scroll down, you will find the How Others Can Interact with You section. In this, you will find Comments. Click on it. There, select Allow Comments From. Here you can see your exact number of followers. Or you can use third-party tools. With my search, I found best one, Social Blade. Open your preferred browser, search for Social Blade. Then, click on the first one. Make sure you are logged in. If not, log in your account with your credentials. Then, select Instagram here. In the search bar, enter Instagram account, username or URL. Then, click on Search. Here you can find the number of followers you can have on Instagram, and that's it.